today we're gonna be playing a game.
You get to move up. You can only move on the gray, but you have to do the front ones. Nope, not the back. And you can only move up. Like this goes up, this can go up. Or that one goes that way. Okay, now I'm gonna go up, so you can jump me. And you take that. Take this one and put it over there. And then I jump you, so I keep yours. So you got one, I got one. Now you move again.
Let's go up.
And I'm gonna go up. The whole point is going all the way that way, and you come in all the way this way.
Now what?
Now look what I did. Let's just move. Bump, bump. So I get these two. Now your turn.
That means I got one.
Yep. Nope, because you can't jump over that way.
So can I go like down, like here?
Nope, you can only stay on the black ones. You can't. You have to go with the black ones.
Oh. I get it.
If I do that, you can jump me. You're gonna jump me anyway.
How do I do that?
No, you have to go in the gray. And you can't go back. Nope.
What about if I go
You can only go this way. So you have to jump that one here or that one.
So I can't go back?
No. Because you're on that side, you're supposed to come all your stuff are supposed to be here.
I never played this. I haven't played this in years, so.
That basically means I won. I won.
That was fun. Thank you guys for watching.